Hey everyone, today we're diving into a powerhouse of a generator that's been making waves in the portable power world. The Harbor Freight Predator Tri-Fuel 13,000 watt generator. Let's break it down. First off, what makes this generator stand out? It's tri-fuel capable, meaning it can run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. And that's a game changer. Imagining being able to switch fuels depending on what's available or cost effective at the time. Gasoline for portability, propane for cleaner burns, or natural gas for endless supply if you're hooked up at home. The flexibility is there. Now let's talk power. This beast delivers 10,000 running watts and can surge up to 13,000 watts. That's enough to power a 50 amp RV with ease. Think air conditioning, microwave, and all your essentials running simultaneously. But that's just one use case. If you're a homeowner with a transfer switch, this generator can keep your lights on, fridge running, and even power sensitive electronics during an outage. With a 10.7 gallon fuel tank, the Predator can run for 12.1 hours at a 50% load on gasoline. That's perfect for long camping trips, construction projects, or even outdoor events. No more worrying about constant refueling. Now let's talk outlets. This generator comes loaded. It has a NEMA 1450 for RVs and heavy duty appliances, NEMA L1430 for 240 volt needs, NEMA L530 for 120 volt devices, and 2 sets of standard duplex 520 household outlets. But what if you don't need those heavy duty outlets? No problem. At AC Works, we've got you covered with adapters that convert these outlets into standard household plugs. For example, our S1450 PDU turns the 1450 into 4 GFCI protected outlets, perfect for powering tools or appliances. Or grab the L1430 F520-05 to convert the L1430 into 4 standard outlets with a 5-foot cord. Need extra protection? The L1430 CBF 520-025 adds breakers for peace of mind. And for those smaller jobs, our L530 W515-025, which is a 25-foot extension cord, gives you 3 household outlets at a great price. These adapters aren't just convenient, they're essential for maximizing your generator's versatility. So who's the generator for? If you need serious power, fuel flexibility, and long run times, the Harbor Freight Predator Tri-Fuel 13,000 watt generator is a top contender. And with AC Works adapters, you can customize it to fit your exact needs. Ready to take your power game to the next level? Visit our website for more info, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and power solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.